Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about some amazing domestic animals. Are you ready? Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Bull. B-U-L-L. Bull. Goose. G-O-O-S-E. Goose. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Chick. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. Buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey.
HASU KIDZEE. Like and subscribe.